All right, this next one is called the bootlace. Now, this is going to be just a figure 8, but a little bit wider and in between all these cones. So this is a good one because we're going to practice our left-hand turns, a nice change of direction to do the right-hand turns. This is really good because if you are taking a test and it does have a figure 8 on it, this is the one you want to do. All right, here we go. So familiarize ourselves. So that we're going to do 1 to familiarize, and then the last 4 we're going to go for time. So this one is to go around all the cones, in between the cones, change of direction for that figure 8, look to the right, go around all these cones, and then we're going to go ahead and get through these middle, look left, and then we're going to go ahead and exit out right there. So very good. Now that we have that, 16.37, we're going to go ahead and give it some speed. Before we jump into that, I want you guys to see that we do have the designs on the phone, and that's kind of the point, is that if you get a little bit unfamiliar, you can look at your phone, you can do the PDF download and have a good time. Let's go ahead and put this back. You're going to want to have a quad lock or something. Here we go. Now we're going to go for time. 3, 2, 1, 16 seconds. Let's go ahead, try to beat that. You're going to find what works for you. Head and eye movement, same thing. Head and eye movement, throttle control, friction zone, counterweighting. If you're making super wide turns, you're going to have to work on your head and eye movement. If you feel like you're going to fall in, you're going to use your counterbalancing. If you feel like you don't have smooth control, friction zone, throttle control. All right, here we go. So 12.54. Try not to hit the cones. There's that shift. So about right here, I'm gonna go ahead and shift and then exit out. 11.8, we're getting better and better at our time, and we're having fun practicing our figure 8. So that was number 3, is number 4. Shift. Go around these last cones, get ready to shift, and we're gonna exit out. I feel like my foot hit that cone, but it didn't. If it did, I'd have to redo it. I didn't feel it though. All right, 12, a little bit slower. Last one, let's see if we can beat 11. So we're speeding up, slowing down, speeding up, slowing down. Friction zone, throttle control. A little bit of rear brake here and there. Counterweight. All right, once we get over here, we're gonna power through it. 11.8. All right, so we got 11s and 12s. That's pretty good. It's a good start. We're going to be moving off into the snake on the next one. The snake is a fun one, and we're going to exit right back out on this one. So practice those figure 8s. Good U-turns to the left and the right with a change of direction. Head and eye movement where you want to go. All right?